Unit 5. Define conversion optimization. Explain in detail the process of conversion optimization. Conversion optimization means the visitors to a website that convert into customers. So how many percentage of visitors is converted into customer, that is known by conversion optimization. It is also called as conversion rate optimization. It has so many steps. So the process of conversion optimization, step by step guide to conversion optimization available. It is including 6 steps. First one is gather data, next analyze data, fix anything that broken, design test, run test, report and repeat. Gather data, gathering information about the customer. What do you want website visitors do? Why the people come to the websites? These are the details gathered through the analytics of data. Next, user data. The user data gathered through the some of the sample site, simple site surveys and also collected from the customer service data. Next, analyze data. The gather the data analyzed with the help of this step. What should people be doing on the site? Who is coming to the site? Why? What is the reason for the people coming to the site? What is the need of the people? Everything identified. Fix anything that broken. As part of your analysis, you may have identified problems that can be fixed without testing. Before carry on this, so fix what are the way the person is creating more traffic. Next, design. So previous steps over, next steps is design their sites. So the designing site is playing vital role because it is only creating more traffic. After the designing that sites, run the test. So design test over, we can run the test. It's a like a sampling thing. Implementation of their website running. So the person is run their sites through the thing, tracking the code of the website visitors. It should be unique. It don't have the conflict to other website code. At the time only creating more traffic. After the running the test, the marketer creating the report, analyze their expectation level meet by the website and customer optimization, conversion optimization, that is analyzed. Suppose the expectation is fulfilled, automatically repeat the same progress. The expectation is not fulfilled, the person move on to the other steps. Explain the evolution of internet and its contribution to field of marketing. The evolution of internet. After the evolution of internet, the people saving the time and also everything shared, information, communication, articles, videos, photos, money and also selling activities, everything done through the internet only. The internet is developed, growth of the internet, it's a step by step process. It is begin from 1958 and year by year or 2 years after develop the softwares one by one and also creating the shopping websites. Finally comes under the so many shopping websites and so many softwares. It is useful for the customers doing their day-to-day life and also the person sitting in their home and learning so many things from online itself. So the online marketing or digital marketing play vital role in each and every individual day-to-day life. Nowadays, so many people spending maximum amount of time in online only using the social media. That is also one of the reason for growth of digital marketing. Internet contribution to field of marketing. After the development of the digital marketing and evolution of digital marketing, the traditional marketing is decreased. Television, radio, newspaper and magazines. So high amount of selling activities available in the online marketing. The main reason online marketing is a user centric. Next, finally I have attached one diagram. It is represent a minute on the internet in 2019. So per minute how many million of people using the internet. That's all. Thank you.